Never start your client intake like this. You get a call at 2 a.m. from someone who just got hurt in a car accident. They're scared, they're in pain, and they need help right now. But your phone goes to voicemail because you're asleep. By morning, they've already called 3 other attorneys and signed with someone else. Here's what most personal injury lawyers don't realize about client intake in 2025. While you're sleeping, eating dinner, or in court, potential clients are making decisions about their legal representation. And if you're not available to respond immediately, you're losing cases worth thousands of dollars to competitors who are. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to set up an AI-powered client intake system that works 24/7, captures more leads, and turns more inquiries into paying clients. This isn't about replacing your legal expertise. It's about making sure you never miss another opportunity to help someone who needs you. Research shows that 67% of people choose their attorney based on how fast they respond. If you respond within 5 minutes, you're 400% more likely to convert that person into a client compared to waiting an hour. But here's the problem. Most law firms take 45 minutes or longer to respond to new inquiries. That's 45 minutes for your potential client to call your competition. Think about it from the client's perspective. They just got hurt. Maybe they're dealing with medical bills, can't work, and insurance companies are already calling them. They're stressed and they want answers right now. When they reach out to you and get a voicemail, what do you think they do? They call the next attorney on their list. I heard of an attorney, she was losing about 30% of her potential clients because they couldn't respond fast enough. Her phone would ring during depositions, court hearings, and family dinners. For the sake of the video, let's call her Sarah. She tried hiring more staff, but that got expensive quickly. She tried an answering service, but they couldn't properly screen personal injury cases or capture the detailed information she needed. But then Sarah discovered AI-powered intake systems, and within 3 months, she was capturing 40% more clients and recovering over $10,000 per month in previously lost billable time. Her clients were happier because they got immediate responses, and she was less stressed because she wasn't constantly worried about missing calls. Here's how you could set up the same system step by step. First, you need to understand what AI can actually do for your intake process. AI tools can screen potential clients 24/7, ask the right questions to determine if it's a good fit for your practice, and schedule consultations automatically. It'll even start collecting the information you need for their case. The key is starting simple. Don't try to automate everything at once. Begin with one tool that handles your after-hours inquiries. They'll ask potential clients basic questions about their case, capture their contact information, and immediately the AI will send you an alert if it's an urgent matter. Step 2 is setting up smart intake forms. Instead of those long, boring forms that make people give up halfway through, AI can create dynamic forms that only ask the relevant questions. Wouldn't you love it if seminar speakers knew how to do that too? Only mention the relevant information. If someone says they were in a car accident, this AI form automatically asks about injuries and insurance. If they mention a slip and fall, it asks different questions. This keeps people engaged and gets you better information. Step 3 is integration. Your AI tools need to talk to your practice management software. When someone fills out an intake form at midnight, that information should automatically create a new case file, schedule a consultation, and add the person to your follow-up system. No manual data entry required. Here's where most attorneys make a huge mistake. They think AI means that they can just set it and forget it. Wrong. You still need to review everything the AI does. You're still the attorney. The AI is just your very efficient assistant that never sleeps. You also need to make sure you're following all the ethical rules. Any AI tool you use must be HIPAA compliant if you're dealing with medical information. You need to have the proper data security measures in place. And you should tell clients when when AI is being used to assist with their case. The process takes about 12 weeks. Weeks 1 and 2 are for planning and assessing your current system. Weeks 3 and 4 are for choosing and setting up your first AI tool. Weeks 5 through 8 are for integration and testing. Weeks 9 and 10 are for compliance and training your team. And weeks 11 and 12 are for launching and optimizing. The investment ranges from about $200 to $1,500 per month, depending on how comprehensive you want to get. Most firms see positive ROI within 3 to 6 months. This attorney, Sarah, now makes an extra $10,000 per month just from the clients that she used to lose due to slow responses. Let me give you the exact tools you should use. For the 24/7 client communication, use Smith.ai. It costs about $400 per month, but captures leads that would otherwise go to competitors. For intake forms, use Clio Grow, which integrates perfectly with your practice management software. For document processing, use CaseMark to quickly analyze medical records, which should save you and your team about 10 hours per week. The biggest game changer is how AI can actually prioritize leads. Not every inquiry is worth the same amount. A minor fender bender might be worth $5,000, but a serious truck accident could be worth $500,000. Your AI system now automatically flags high-value cases and sends an immediate text message to you, even at 2 a.m. So here's what your typical day would look like now that you have it set up properly. You wake up to a summary of all the inquiries that came in overnight. The AI has already screened them, scheduled consultations with qualified prospects, and flagged any urgent matters. Instead of spending your morning returning calls and playing phone tag, you're reviewing cases that are already pre-qualified and ready to move forward. The results speak for themselves. Your average response time is going to go from 45 minutes to 30 seconds. Your team is going to be less stressed because they're not constantly interrupted by screening calls. And then your clients are going to be happier because they get immediate attention when they need it the most. The real magic happens when you start using AI for more than just the intake. Use it to analyze medical records in minutes. Use it to draft demand letters that might have taken you days beforehand to write. Use it to predict case values based on similar cases in your jurisdiction. And of course, all that I just mentioned, that is not directly tied in with the client intake system, but I'm just telling you the potential with AI right now. As you know, the legal industry is changing fast. The clients, they expect immediate responses. They expect modern technology, efficiency. So if you're a firm that adapts to these expectations, you're going to thrive. And then the firms that don't, they're going to lose clients to the competitors who do. If you're ready to stop losing clients while you sleep, start with just one simple step. Pick one AI tool for after-hours communication and set it up starting this week and test it and then track your results. I think you're going to be delightfully surprised at how many more leads you get, at the better conversion rates, and of course the happier clients. Not to mention how your home life might benefit, which of course, what's the point of any of this unless your life outside of work improves as well? The future of personal injury law isn't about working harder. It's about working smarter. And AI gives you the ability to be available for your clients 24/7 without burning your team out and then sacrificing your personal life. It's not about replacing attorneys. It's about making you even better. Don't wait until your competitors figure this out first. The attorneys who implement AI intake systems now will have a massive advantage over those who wait. Of course, we can help you with some of this implementation, but this video is designed so you can do it yourself. I'd love it if you'd subscribe to this channel, or at the very least, if this video has been helpful, like it and share it with anyone else who might be able to benefit as well. I look forward to seeing you in the next video.